Okay, YouTube, let's learn how to add what you see, what you get capabilities in our Django administration panel. So here, when you go to posts, when you go to add new posts, here you want to see a lot of options that will save your time. Okay, and then after that we need to change how our templates look like, basically this thing, which is really simple. You probably recognize this from playlist on I have two playlists on a Django right now on my channel, so very simple stuff. So my assumption is that you know how to do this into Django. If you don't, that's cool, but it will greatly help you to know these things. Right, so very simple stuff. When I click on home page, new post, very simple entry fields, and when I click on individual entries, just a couple of details about that individual entry. Very simple stuff, don't worry. Objective here is just to learn how to work with CKEditor. Okay, so let me stop this server because we need pip install. Let me zoom this a little bit, arrange this a little bit, sorry. So pip install Django CKEditor, and I'm into virtual environment. Actually, what you're doing is not important, just what you see, what you get optionality is important. So pip install Django CKEditor, don't forget that. And after this is done, we need to go to settings file of our project and include CKEditor there. Okay, so we are done. Right, so where is that thing? Inside of to-do project, blah blah blah, settings, yeah, settings.py. Down there, you need to, inside of quotes, add CKEditor. Okay, so after this is done, we need to go to models. Let me find that. I need to remind myself what I was doing. So into models, and here we are going to change this field into rich text field. Okay, so a rich text field. Your form will probably look different, but you will probably have one of these text fields. Okay, so it is not important what I am doing here, just change into your models things correspondingly. Okay, so here we don't need models, generic ones, because we are importing stuff from here. So type from CKEditor.fields, don't forget dot fields. Okay, we're gonna import possibility for a rich text field. Okay, so save, and you'll probably say that everything is working now, but you need to do migrations. Okay, so to do migrations, first we need to make migrations with Python manage.py, and we are actually preparing changes. Okay, so make migrations, enter, and that's cool. So we have one thing to apply here because we are changing models, and when you're changing models, it's like changing your when you're working with PHP with MySQL, it's like when you're changing MySQL structure at the lowest level of application, something like that. Right, so now when we have everything prepared, let's migrate. I'm gonna save ourselves a little bit of time. So migrate, and then changes are applied. Okay, so where I was now, let's start server, python manage.py, run server, and right, so everything is working theoretically. So where is that thing? Okay, refresh, that works. Let me arrange this a bit. Okay, so we have a response, admin section, and let me zoom this a little bit. Okay, so post, and add new post, and there you go, we have it. So what you see, what you get is activated. So cool stuff, bro. I don't know, who cares. And then down there, let's have a link to Google. Oops. This is just random stupid stuff, who cares? So when you click here, you need to enter link down there. And it's activated, okay? So also, let's say we wanna have, we will import tables here, like 3 rows, 2 columns, header, both, I don't know, border size 3, something ugly, cell spacing, yeah, who cares? Okay, and there you go. The thing work, that's important. Blah, 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 blah. Right, so in the next tutorial, we're gonna, well, let me finish this first. So save, and there you go, view site. Oh, so there you go, everything works in the backend, but in the front end we need to change actual templates to remove this raw HTML mess. So that means we need to go to template and activate their options. Where is that thing? So we are on index page, so index.html. And here, when you see post text, add here this upper line, and then space, and then save. Okay, this is Django stuff. This is from documentation. But when you do that on a home page, why is nothing happening? Just a second. Oh, sorry, I'm all the time watching into details. Oh, this is extremely dumb. Anyway, here the thing will work. There you go. So sorry about that, guys. I'm just, you know, it's 4 in the morning. Jesus Christ. Anyway, so when you click on stuff bro, you will get into details. We need to fix details. Details here. And we are fixing text field. Also, we need to add here save. Don't code when you're tired. Okay, and now we will have changes here. Right, so sorry about that setback, but everything works. So home, that's cool. Let's add another thing here. Posts, add new posts, new stuff. And oops, we'll just add here table, yet another, like 5, something like that, who cares? And save and view site, and there you go, the thing works. And when I go to details, that also works. So that's cool. Okay, so in the next tutorial we're gonna learn how to activate image upload capability in Django admin, because right now you don't have that option. Okay, I mean you do have it, but the thing will not work right now. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up. In the next tutorial we're gonna fix this thing, because we need a little bit more to code than in this tutorial. So thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.